Namaste everyone. Today we are going to discuss construction of tangents to a circle. And the first question is, draw a circle of radius 6 cm and from a point 10 cm away from its center, construct the pair of tangents to the circle and measure their lengths. So first of all, what we need to do, open your compass equals to 6 cm and draw a circle. So taking radius equals to 6 cm, we have to draw a circle from a point O. Okay, so this point is center of the circle, let it is O. Then take a point 10 cm away from it. Now how to take that point? First of all, draw its one of radius and extend it. Now open your compass equals to 10 cm, place on O and mark a point 10 cm away from it. So if the point is C, it will be 10 cm. Erase the remaining part. This point C is 10 cm away from the center. Now we need to find out the point of contact. So open your compass equals to more than half and draw an arc from C and keep it same, another arc from the point O. The arcs are intersecting at 2 points, means we have to draw perpendicular bisector of OC. So join these 2 points. It is dividing OC into 2 equal parts. Then we have to find out the point of contact. So what you can do, open your compass equals to either MO or MC. Then draw a dotted circle. Dotted circle is intersecting your circle O at 2 points. Name them point A and point B. Now what you need to do, join A with C as well as B with C. This A and C are your point of contacts. So join A with C as well as B with C. And join them with the centers also, but this is not the part of question, so you have to draw in dotted way. This is for verification only. So you can draw in dotted way. So this is your required construction. Next question is, draw a circle of radius 3 cm. Take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter, each at 7 cm from the center. Draw tangents to the circle from these 2 points P and Q. So first of all, draw a circle of given radius, that is 3 cm. So open your compass equals to 3 cm, take a point as a center and draw a circle. Now we have to find 2 points which are 7 cm away from the center, but both must be on the extended diameter. So first of all, draw one of its diameter and extend it. To the both sides. Then open your compass equals to 7 cm. Open your compass equals to 7 cm. and place on the center and mark 2 points on the extended diameter. These both points are 7 cm away from the center. One is P and another one, erase the extra part, another one is Q. From these 2 points P and Q, we have to draw tangents to the circle. So first of all, to find point of contact, we have to draw its perpendicular bisector. Open more than half and then draw arcs from P. Keep it same. Place on the center of the circle and if the center is O, place on O and draw arcs again. Then the arcs are intersecting at 2 points. Join these 2 points and you got the perpendicular bisector of the line segment OP. Follow the same procedure on OQ. Open your compass more than half and place on the center O and draw an arc. Then keep it same, place on point Q and draw another arc. Where both arcs are intersecting, join the points. This is your second bisector. Now let the center points are M and N. So what is the next step? To find a point of contact, open your compass either equals to MO or equals to MP and draw a circle. This circle we are drawing to find point of contact only, so this will be dotted. Then same, open either equals to MO or equals to NQ, either equals to NO or equals to NQ, and draw another dotted circle. So you can see both circles are intersecting at O, and these two dotted circles are intersecting the first circle at 4 points A, B, C and D. A, B, C, D are the points of contact for P and Q respectively. So let us draw tangents now. Join A with P as well as A with B with P. Similarly, join C with Q as well as B with Q. So these will be tangents from external point P and Q. Join all the points of contact with the center. But join in dotted, as I told you that these we are joining for the verification only. So this is your required construction.